The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, CD player, MP3 player, power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, bucket seats, security system, rear head airbag, auxiliary audio input, cloth seats, heated mirrors. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.